Understanding hormone health and weight loss is the first step in making sure your weight loss plan is successful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to balance the two, so you can lose weight as efficiently and effectively as possible, and we're starting right now. Our hormone health affects our bodies in many ways, but one specific way is an increase in weight. Hormonally challenged women will gain weight around their middle, between the armpits and the top of the thighs. Often their arms are normal, their legs are normal, and from the neck up they look great. Hormonally challenged men gain weight around their waists, and often are on their way to developing breasts. Estrogen is produced in our fat cells, which in turn increases fat cells. As a result, more estrogen is produced, and so on and so on. Breaking the estrogen cycle, and then going on an excellent weight management program is exactly what needs to take place. Step 1. Evaluate your hormones. Find out the ratio of estrogen to progesterone presently in your body. If out of balance, we call that estrogen dominance, where you will likely have or currently be gaining weight around your middle. Step 2. Begin an estrogen lowering program. That will include, of course, increasing your progesterone levels with a bioidentical progesterone cream. But hormone balancing was never all about progesterone. Modulating and balancing estrogens, if found to be out of balance to progesterone, is equally important to your weight loss program. An estrogen lowering program will include: first, increasing your fiber intake. That happens in two ways: eat as much as you can by choosing fruits, vegetables, and whole grains as your high fiber carbohydrate choices, and then add a fiber supplement to consume 30 to 50 grams of fiber daily. Secondly, increase the indolus such as cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower in your diet. That also happens in two ways: eat as much as you can and supplement with an indole 3-carbinol supplement. Target 3 servings a day. Thirdly, increase the essential fatty acids in your diet. They are essential because the body does not make them. They help balance prostaglandin production in the body, and thus help regulate estrogens. You can also increase your overall nutrition by taking extra vitamin C like Super C crystals, and by taking a concentrated fruit and vegetable supplement. Step 3 in balancing your hormones for weight loss would be to eat a 40-30-30 diet. Incorporate a new way of approaching meals, purposing to eat carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in a balanced way at each meal. When we eat balanced meals, our weight will normalize, our energy levels will increase, and our hormones will be in balance. Step 4. Get moving. Develop a great exercise program with the help of someone who knows what they are doing. Tailor a program especially for you, one that you can do, and are willing to make a commitment to keep. Most of us need to think in terms of keeping our bodies moving and staying active for the rest of our lives. Couch potatoes rarely are healthy. Step 5. Celebrate. Men and women whose hormones are out of balance feel unwell. Men and women who have balanced hormones feel well. Achieving hormone health will increase your overall health and wellness and assist you in losing weight. You will look younger and feel younger. And there you have it. 5 easy steps that will make sure you are progressing well in your weight loss program by understanding the effects hormone levels have on weight loss. Remember to check out our YouTube channel for more videos with tips on weight loss and diet to incorporate in your fitness journey. Also, if you have any questions or comments about the effects of hormone on weight loss, you can leave them down below and I will help if I can. Below, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification button somewhere on this page so you can get more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.